Boys, my chain came off. Look at that view. And another path, boys. Look what we found. About to eat fish and chips. Boys, that came off. What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Going on a family pushback ride. There they are. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Okay boys, we have arrived. Time to get the bikes out. Boys, so it's my push bike, mountain bike, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, I don't know if it's a proper mountain bike, but it does the job. Looks pretty smixy, look at that. So tuned for some cool views and some cool trails. Oh, what a wheelie! Let's go. Boys, I am riding with one hand because I can't record. So sketchy. Now these are some really cool trails. If you guys are wondering where this is, it's just in Millwater near Silverdale. Go guys, we are riding one hand right now. So boys, so we're almost finished the short loop and then we're going to go over and do the estuary cycle from Millwater to Orewa. Boys, my chain came off the bloody sprocket. Okay boys, get the chain on there. Okay, I think we got it. It's back on boys. Boy, get your ass out the way. Hold to your left. Keep to your left. Whoa. Bruh. Now it's time to do the estuary loop. So we're going to go from Millwater through this cycle path and it'll lead us to Orewa. Don't have a bike pump. That's one way to pump up a tire. Hey boys, we're starting the estuary cycle route now. Stay tuned. Look at that view. Amazing. It's a really cool cycleway. What a cool cycleway. So today, yeah, done the loop to the left in Millwater and then the estuary loop from Millwater to Orewa. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. It's a pretty cool cycle loop, pretty cool views. So we finished the estuary cycle, now we're heading into Orewa. Beautiful day as well, nice weather. Look at this car, that is beautiful. Oh, old school V8. Mint. And another path boys, still going. I think the watch is at an hour 30, so it's been a really nice bike ride so far. Let's go. Oh, look at that. I bet there'll be some nice eels to catch in there. Yeah, look what we found. It's pretty cool. Pretty peaceful here. How's it going, Josh? Sigma. Sigma? These tropical smoothies. Okay, so we just finished having a smoothie at that really cool place. Now we're just going to go find somewhere to eat fish and chips. Go, Josh. Oh, yeah. Okay, so we're by ourselves right now. Mum and Dad are miles ahead. Okay, let's go, bro. Go, go. boys, I came off. About to eat fish and chips. Boys, we got the fish and chips. Burger. And after this, it's just gonna be the way back. Okay boys, so we're just on our way back now. Pretty cool loop, heaps more to do as well, so let me know down in the comments if you like this kind of video and want to see more of it.
Boys, the video is sadly over.
Okay boys, so that's it for the video. Yeah, I'll try to get another video up soon of me riding. Stay tuned for more videos, and I hope you guys enjoyed this one.